Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury SUVs of 2026, the brand new Volvo XC90. This is Volvo's flagship SUV. And with the 2026 model year, they've raised the bar again. Whether you're a longtime fan of Scandinavian design or just looking for a premium family hauler with cutting-edge tech, this XC90 demands attention. Let's start at the front. And wow, Volvo has truly refined their design language. The front fascia is both bold and sophisticated. You still get that signature Thor's hammer LED headlight design, but now it's been sharpened for a more aggressive look. The grille is wider and lower, giving the SUV a planted athletic stance. Chrome accents are subtle but effective. This isn't a vehicle screaming for attention, it just owns it. The air intakes are now more integrated into the bumper, contributing not only to the SUV's sleek look but also improving airflow and efficiency. And speaking of airflow, the new active grille shutters open and close depending on driving conditions to reduce drag. It's not just pretty, it's smart, moving around to the side profile. Volvo kept the XC90's elegant silhouette but refined it further. The proportions are well balanced and the lines are cleaner than ever. You've got new 21 and 22-inch alloy wheel designs that really complete the premium look. And the wheel arches have been slightly flared to enhance the SUV's presence without overdoing it. Flush door handles are now standard, which is a nice futuristic touch and contributes to better aerodynamics. This year's model is also slightly longer, which translates to more interior space. We'll get to that in a moment. Around back, the design continues to impress. The vertical taillights, a Volvo hallmark, are now even more pronounced, wrapping around the sides in a dramatic sweep. They're full LED, of course with a new animation that kicks in when you lock or unlock the vehicle. The tailgate is clean and sculpted with subtle badging and a hidden rear wiper under the spoiler. Dual integrated exhaust tips have been removed entirely, a nod to Volvo's electrified future. And in fact, depending on the trim, the XC90 is either fully electric or plug-in hybrid, with no traditional gas-only option. Open the doors, and the interior is where the 2026 XC90 truly shines. Step inside, and you're greeted by an environment that feels more like a luxury lounge than an SUV cabin. The materials are top-notch, think sustainably sourced wood, recycled wool blend upholstery, and aluminum accents that catch the light just right. The seats, whether you go for the standard comfort or upgraded massaging Napa leather option, are supportive, heated, ventilated, and offer memory settings. At the center is a stunning 14.5-inch vertically oriented infotainment touchscreen, powered by Volvo's latest Google-based system. It's intuitive, fast, and supports over-the-air updates, so your tech never falls behind. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, wireless of course, and the Bowers & Wilkins sound system absolutely slaps with 19 speakers, including ones integrated into the headrests. The digital gauge cluster is crisp and customizable, and there's even an optional head-up display for key information right in your line of sight. In the second row, comfort hasn't been sacrificed. Captain's chairs are optional, and you get plenty of legroom, multiple charging ports, and independent climate controls. Even the third row, often an afterthought in SUVs, is adult-friendly for short trips and has its own vents and cup holders. Cargo space is generous, with more than 80 cubic feet when the seats are folded flat. Now let's talk performance. The 2026 XC90 offers two powertrains, a fully electric XC90 Recharge EV model with dual motors producing around 500 horsepower and over 550 pounds-ft of torque, and a plug-in hybrid that pairs a turbocharged four-cylinder engine with an electric motor for a combined 455 horsepower. Both are mated to a seamless AWD system and Volvo's newest suspension platform. The EV version can sprint from 0 to 60 in just 4.6 seconds, yes, in an SUV this size, while offering up to 300 miles of range on a full charge. It supports DC fast charging, giving you up to 80% charge in under 30 minutes. The hybrid model delivers better fuel economy than ever, with up to 40 miles of electric-only range, perfect for daily commutes without using a drop of gas on the road. The XC90 feels solid and planted. The adaptive air suspension glides over rough pavement and tightens up nicely in dynamic mode. Road noise is almost non-existent thanks to improved insulation and acoustic glass. Volvo's Pilot Assist semi-autonomous system returns with better lane centering and smoother adaptive cruise. And with over-the-air software updates, it keeps improving long after you drive it off the lot. Finally, pricing. The 2026 Volvo XC90 starts around $60,000 for the base core trim. Move up to the Plus or Ultimate trims, and you're looking at $70,000 to $78,000 depending on options. The all-electric XC90 Recharge model starts at just under $80,000, but when you factor in fuel savings and potential tax incentives, it becomes a compelling choice for anyone looking to go electric without sacrificing luxury or space. So, is the 2026 Volvo XC90 worth it? Absolutely. With its combination of minimalist beauty, advanced tech, family-friendly space, and impressive electrified performance, it stands tall among luxury SUVs. This is more than just a car, it's a statement. Thanks for watching Gear Storm. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more high-octane reviews, deep dives, and first looks. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you go hybrid or full electric with this XC90? Catch you in the next one.